This is back in Florida, getting ready to go out on our travels, and this is when we had our original van and Winnie drop. Jimmy is grilling for the family, and just the beginning of his cooking for the year, as you'll see from this video.
No, baby, here. Hi.
This was in Texas at my brother's house, and Jimmy is cooking for the family. All the nieces and nephews, great nieces, great nephews. That's my brother. And this is his wife, always busy. And this is our Texas side of the family. My brother's, I get to enjoy my brother's grandchildren. They're just adorable. We flew out of Texas into Europe and visited a high school friend of mine in Germany. Stayed with her and her family for 10 days, and Jimmy did some great cooking. Now we are in Madrid, Spain, visiting Marta and her family and making some things they requested, like Italian food. Jimmy made meatballs and sauce, which they absolutely loved. Their kids requested American hamburgers. Now, they do look like American hamburgers, but they don't taste anything like it. They're really missing the fat that we use here, so that it really affected the flavor, but they enjoyed them. And then we went to England to visit my niece, Ashley, and she requested Uncle Jimmy make lasagna like he did when she was a young girl. Instead of the pasta, he used zucchini noodles or zucchini slices. Oh yeah.
See if it lives up to the hype. See if it lives up to the hype.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, it was.
It's nice. It's not falling apart.
It looks like it will taste good. That's half the battle.
Zucchinis.
Yeah, I need to. Oh, you're here early, so now I can get your chicken. We're gonna make wings this.
We had some air flight cancellations from Europe, so we ended up coming back early and flew into New Jersey. But we drove down to Delaware to see our niece and nephew, and of course, Uncle Jimmy always cooks when he's there, because my niece Teresa likes to cook as well, and together we make a feast for the family.